Hello guys, welcome to the second part of the video on the introduction to the Photoshop interface. So in the previous one, the part 1, we explored the create new button, right? Now we are going to explore the open button. So with the open button, okay, before I get to the open button, let's talk about this here. Over here we have recent, and then you have some designs here. These are the recent files that I've opened, the recent images that I've opened. Okay, so Photoshop keeps record of your recent projects over here, so that next time I'm about to edit something, I can just click on the thing and then I'll be able to edit whatever I want to do. So let's back to business, the open button. So the open button is used to open an already existing file. So when I click on open, it opens my file manager so that I can select an image or a Photoshop file and click open. So once I click open, it opens up this Photoshop file for me, this image in Photoshop. Okay, so that is how the open button works. So when you come to the home button, the home button here, click on it. When I click on open, I can open a Photoshop file here. Click open. Okay, see, I can open a Photoshop file, and at the top here we have tabs. So when I open multiple files, I can navigate through them by clicking on the tabs here. Okay, so when I come here, I have this, and when I get here too, I have this. I can close the tabs by clicking on this and it goes away. So back to business, you see that this side too keeps record of what we just opened and what we just opened. So that is how the open button works. So when I click on a recent file, I have this image here. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the second part of the video.